Hey guys, this is FuroCubing and we are back again with this. So you must be thinking what this is. This is the Hamleys 48-piece snake cube. This is very large, so we've not yet converted into the stick position. Just got it as this, and the best part of this is that you can just sneak in the smaller snake cube. So like this, got this, and yes, that's how you get the thing. Now look at this. So you can't even know if you are having a look at it. You won't know that another snake cube is inside, but actually is inside. So in this video, we'll be talking about how this cube is, how expensive it is, whether it's nice, or shall we buy the Smiggles snake cube. So keeping aside all other things, first I'll get this thing into a stick form. Well, this is going far. And the best thing about this cube is that as you can see our previous videos of snake cubes, we've taught to make a dog out of the 24-piece snake one. And if you try to make a dog from this one, you'll see it turns out to be a giraffe. And here I am, almost finishing it. Yeah. So guys, this is actually the thing, and if you talk about other specifications, you can see there's a ball inside, there's a ball on the other side too, and actually these don't help in any way, but they're not useless at all. They actually give a rattle sound. This cube is actually for kids. So, and the clicking sound you get is not that hard that you get it in a 24-piece snake cube, just like this. So the turns in this one is more precise. Look at this. And these interlockings come out very quickly, whereas in this one you won't get those. Other than that, this is the grey black version. I've got this white black version, contrast. And if we talk about the price is 2,000 rupees for this tall thingy. And the yellow shades are not very vibrant in that way. But yeah, actually these are okay. They're not that bad. So that's all.
Guys, if you liked our video, click the thumbs up below. Also be sure to press the bell icon to get the new notifications of our newest videos.
नीचे एक ऐसा लाल सब्सक्राइब का बटन मिलेगा, जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर देना.